If you are not able to receive an SMS or a text message from a particular contact only in your Samsung device, then the first thing that you do is you go to this phone icon here, go to contacts, tap on these three dotted icons here, select settings, go to this option block numbers, and here you will be able to see if you have blocked any contact or not. Now if you have blocked a contact here like this one, then you won't be able to receive an SMS or a call from this contact. So what you need to do is, if you want to unblock, tap on this minus icon here and unblock the number. Now suppose you found that you have not blocked the number, but still if you are not receiving the SMS, then what you do, go to settings, go to this option apps, scroll down and you will look for contacts application, open it. After that, go to storage, select clear cache, clear data, and then OK. Go back and once select on this option force stop, again tap on this option force stop. Once you have done this one, restart your phone and check if you are now able to receive an SMS from the contact or not. Now the other thing that you can do is you can delete the contact and re-enter the contact again. For that one, you will go to phone icon, you will select contact, and suppose if you are not receiving an SMS from this contact, open it, tap on this eye icon here, tap on this three dotted icons here, select delete, and then if you select delete, this particular contact will be removed from your device. Once you have removed the contact, re-enter the contact again. So do all of these things and hopefully you would be able to receive the SMS from that particular contact again. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.